Oh, yep. All the windows are messed up. Good morning, all. Give me a second here while I do some cropping to these windows. Nimkins messed around and found out. No, you're good. All right. Everything is fixed. All right. Good morning, guys. We are live. Dave, Nimkins, Palmetto. You guys can all say hello.
Hello. Oh, wait, my emblem's in the corner.
Yeah, I got your emblem up there.
Well, at that rate, should I just turn my camera on?
Yeah,
that's
can't smell
entirely
you.
up to you, brother.
Hopefully
it doesn't mess up everything. It shouldn't. You should pop up right where your emblem's at. But good morning, chat. Morning, Fletcher, Albu, Khaled, Martin, Ollie.
Wait, Ollie. Yeah, can you hear me, Ollie? Yeah, you can. That's good.
Everybody should be able to hear you. Stream music's going. Mics are on. Okay, I think we are live. So how we feeling, boys?
Not good. I feel like I was forced to be here just to support Mason's chicken and chip habit. I was tucked up in bed having a nice time. I don't normally trade Fridays. And now I tried to set this up, everyone, and now I can't even see what account I was. I tried to hide my account, and now I have no idea what account I'm trading on. So this should be interesting.
Let me, Did you iron your shirt, Nims? Phoenix is asking.
Does it look ironed?
Khaled's asking. He's saying cool shirt. Cool shirt Friday,
Yeah.
Nims?
Yeah, cool shirt Fridays. Yeah, for Friday with the boys.
Oh, man, that's funny. We're slowly waiting for people to roll in. Chat, we do have news at 10 o'clock this morning, so I have forewarned Dave and Nimkins and Palmetto to be on alert. Morning, Martman. Welcome. It is trading with the boys Friday. At least we've got cameras on this time, except for Palmetto. I think Palmetto's adjusting that currently.
He is.
Oh, here he comes. There he
that
is.
might be better.
There he is.
I'm hiding.
Is he? I can't see him. Oh, it's the delay. God, yeah.
Yeah, you
Sorry.
gotta get used to the delay, Nims. Let me do something real quick. I'm going to flip over. So your cameras are going to disappear for a minute, Palmetto and Dave, because it's not on this this scene that I have for his charts. But let me make sure his charts are okay. Oh, here we go again, Nims. Have to recrop everything.
Why am I being blamed for this? Palmetto was the one who decided
because
to
you're
make a
messing
late
around on
appearance.
Discord.
I get blamed. I get blamed.
Oh, wait. Did it actually mess up the cameras?
Not you. Nimkins with his whole
Why is
logging
that
off and logging
purple?
on thing 30 seconds before
Gotcha,
we were
okay.
going live.
That's
Hey chat,
not
let
true.
me know how his charts look on the stream, if you could, please. Morning, Donna. Welcome. Sanders, good morning. If you could, chat, comment and let me know how Nimkin's charts look.
Just visually, like, if you can see them.
Yeah, is it
No.
super blurry? Yeah, okay. Ollie's saying it's a little fuzzy. I think it might be on my end.
Very blur. Okay. Wow.
Well, it's okay. They can see candles. I'm not too worried about it. I'm not going to mess with
Yeah.
anything.
I can't see. Oh, you can't see any golden levels. Well, don't you? You want to see the golden level to the upside or the downside?
There's
Right.
2 of them now.
You know, there's multiple golden levels. Where's it go? Oh, my golden
Morning,
levels
Bram.
disappeared. When I reset the charts, my golden levels disappeared. Let me. I tried to do a reset on my charts to get my account back, but don't worry, the golden color is here on the presets. All right, here, 900 to 880. which coincidentally was the exit Kev should have taken before he lost 24k on the stream.
He made it all back that day.
Yeah, he did make it all back. Yeah, yeah.
And it was 28k. Get it right.
Okay, sorry. Undersold the heat that he took.
Yeah, that was ridiculous. All right, Nim. I'm going to go back to my charts, so you're good to do whatever you do there. All right. We got everyone back. All right, chat. Say hello to Palmetto. Say hello to Dave. Say hello to Nimkins. Nimkins will be in your upper right. Palmetto will be on your upper left. Dave will be on your bottom left. And clearly, Wes here will be on your bottom right. So how we feeling today, boys? We're going to take it slow. We're going to be aggressive. Dave, I know you like to sling on the open, so...
Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do this morning. I think I'm just going to sit back and watch it. I think we're going to see manipulation down and then up.
Love it when you say that word. Manipulation. Manipulate up, manipulate down. For those of you that don't know, Dave likes ICT terminology. I can't relate. I cannot relate to I don't even know what a fair value gap is. I'll be honest with you.
The myth.
Let's see what we do here. Here we go.
Har said Nimkins is a guy all this time. I was nice to him for nothing. Insane.
Oh my God. That's funny.
Yeah. Oh, Nim, I guess your catfishing days are over, huh?
I think in the hangout when they heard my voice, it might have been over. But maybe there was some which were clinging on hope.
But there might be some randoms from Good Gains like tuning in at some point here and check out this video.
I am not the trading goddess they thought I was. We're gonna just chop in no man's zones. We have just done it for the entire overnight.
Yeah, I'm not sure what to expect today.
Where's
It might chop. It might chop the AM and maybe this afternoon see some movement, which would be opposite of what you think on a Friday, but I don't know.
Oh, I would expect to test a VWAP here at some point. My VWAP's at 446, 19,446.
Yeah, same. All my levels are messed up. I don't know, my account's gone, my levels are messed. What have you done, Wesley?
I did nothing.
I had
did
a
absolutely
perfectly good
nothing,
trading platform before this stream started, and now look at it, it's just chaos.
I mean, it looks fine to me. I don't know what you're... Well, I don't really know what you're looking at it either. I don't know what you have on your charts. I see, it looks like I see a volume profile. I realize, I realize they can't see your charts right now on the stream, but...
Yeah, no, I mean, I have like most of my normal stuff, but my levels have completely gone haywire for some reason. My account used to be up here, but no longer exists. I can place orders, but I don't know what account they're going to.
Oh, that's lovely.
Let me check on Top Step on my Rhythmic and see if it.
Well, you better hope price doesn't knife down real quick.
Yeah, I was just gonna move that down. Wait, all right. What is a good trade?
Placing a phantom order 50 points away from current price.
No. I'll put it at 120 because that'd be a good entry if I get
So
it.
Palm, you've gone over to micro or MNQ. Is what you're trading now?
Yes, sir. Yeah, because I wanted to experiment with those opening range breaks, and I wasn't about to do that on minis.
Yeah, how are you? So I was talking about this on stream yesterday, I think. Opening range. Do you have a strategy for an opening range, or is it just the break of opening range that you like to play?
I'm actively like freeballing as I go.
Okay.
I'm trying to figure something out. I know like the basics of like Pax's opening range strategy, like the very fundamental basics of it, nothing fancy. And I understand, I guess, like the significance of opening range, and that's kind of it. That's the most I've got.
What's what time frame are you using for opening ranges? Because I've seen,
I've seen 5 minute, I've seen 15 minute.
Yeah.
The like
So-
CME approved one, the official one, is 30 seconds for the indexes.
30 seconds.
But yeah, like but I was also looking at Palmetto's on the strat hop. Not really. It's more so just like looking at other things, Brown. Yeah, it's 30 seconds officially for indexes.
Okay.
That's news to me. That's good knowledge. I never knew that because I've heard of different opening ranges. Some people using 1 minute opening range, some people using 5 minute opening range.
Yeah. I mean, kind of paying today.
Yeah.
Like we're 20 points above opening range already.
All right.
Well,
just
apparently
tapped
that
VWAP.
account is working. Don't talk to me about VWAP after yesterday.
It's going to be just a slow grind.
I was getting ready to fight anyone who was short VWAP.
Andreas, yes. Nimkins is top right. Palmetto is top left. So Nimkins, you can see all the names there. And then DJP Dave is bottom left.
Khaled, do you trade the opening range? I saw Khaled commented on the stream.
Yeah, Cal has been killing it lately with the micros. I know he just passed his
Cal's
first
always
Top Step
killing it.
combine yesterday as well in 2 days. So that's
Yeah,
nice.
absolute animal.
Yeah, good trader.
30
Brahms
points
right,
above
though.
opening range so far.
Brahms right about the rollover day.
Yeah, I know. I won't roll till
This was
Monday.
snap.
I don't know how you guys
but
like
this-
to treat rollover, but I usually like to wait till the following week.
Don't look at Delta.
I mean, this will snap without warning because of that.
Where are we going, Dave?
This is ugly. I mean, kind of a VWAP open is ugly, even though I don't have it on my charts because Albu made me get rid of it. But
Phoenix Palm looking like a hacker in a Netflix documentary.
Yeah.
That is funny.
watch your IP, bro.
That is
good.
funny. Yeah, guys, anybody interested in coming on stream chat, just reach out to me through DMs. These are guys that I knew would come on. You know, Palmetto's not always not going to be available. I do know that as well. He's got a big boy job.
That's debatable. You got me in the mornings for sure.
Yeah, actually, you're good normally till noon Eastern, right?
Yeah, I'm fine until like absolute latest I can be around is like 12:30 Eastern.
Well, I mean,
But, like-
Nimkin sleeps until 2:00 p.m.
I don't
his
sleep
time,
in.
so he
It's
does
my
not get
day
out of
off.
bed,
This
so he
is
won't
my
always
day
be
off.
available.
This is my day off, okay?
And he was crying all morning about having to come on. He was crying last week about not being on camera. Then this morning rolled around and he was crying about having to be on stream.
Yeah.
There's no winning.
I
with
was
this
having
guy.
a-
You work the weekends too?
Do I work the weekends?
Yeah.
I'm
Let's-
retired.
You know, I'm a little upset that I wasn't paying
Okay.
attention.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's pretty cool.
this thing swept the
Holy
overnight
rip.
low and took off. And an overnight low sweep is, the fake out, overnight high or low is something I always look for. Boy, that happened quick.
Yeah, I'm not going to
Overnight
be
low.
trading till 10 o'clock. So another 20 plus minutes. So
No, I don't trade the first half hour.
Oh, I'll take a trade.
Oh, I'm sure you will, Dave. That's why
yeah,
you're here.
I'm sure you will too,
So-
Dave.
Uh,
It's like
Oh,
we
I
got
missed
25 people in here now. Welcome everybody.
I was worried about Nifkins messing up the stream, and I missed that.
all right, okay, let's get this straight. I didn't mess up the stream. The stream messed up my charts.
Oh, is
I
that
am
what
the
it was?
victim.
You
I
blame
am
it
the
on
victim
stream?
here. I am the victim here. Okay.
I mean, what a tight range last night though for overnight low and high.
Yeah, that
Just,
was that was
so
ugly.
compressed. So
That was
compressed.
ugly.
Yeah, Fletcher, I feel your pain on that one. I missed that little dip down and up. But, well,
Me too.
you know,
and
kind of
I
suspect.
have a level from 400 to 420. I should have just taken that furthest extreme, but that was quick.
Oh, it's horrible to take. You'd expect it to expand out more than like the tight range that we've been trading in of like the 30, 40 points we've been trading all night, though. Like,
Well,
especially
on
at
the higher
open.
time frames, the move that makes sense to me is up to like 19,700. Seems like the logical move right now.
Yeah, I have 681 as a target. I don't know if it hits today, but if it doesn't hit today, I think it hits Monday.
The top of the whips on the daily at 681.
Yep.
Yep.
Up
Yeah,
there.
yeah, that's what I have as well. I've got 670 to 690 that I was interested in.
Standard
There's
is
a
very
couple of
nice
whips.
long.
Of course he is.
Of course he is. Of course
Yeah.
Sanders is long.
We would have had a 40-point overnight range, but Sanders will somehow be 300 points up.
Fantastic. That's a good long there.
Yes, Miss Begotten, I was taken away from my game, building my little colony, turning the water into hydrogen and oxygen to come on here to lose money.
Yeah, what is this oxygen game? Like, what is this game that you wake up in the wee hours of the morning because your people are lacking oxygen? What is that?
Well, I mean, it's clearly defined. The people were lacking oxygen. It's like it's a space colony builder, but you kind of need like a degree in engineering, otherwise everyone dies. So I was sorting out the gas pipes and like the temperature of everything, and it took a while this morning, but it was very satisfying once it was done. Seeing all the people are happy they could breathe again.
Man, you really are retired, aren't you?
Yeah.
Like, jeez. Driving around in your Ferrari and
I'm long.
going
I'm
to
long
the
at
beach and
Long at
being
70.
in bed till 2 p.m.
That's right. It's my day off. Normally I'm up early.
Dave, are
Normally
you
I'm
looking for overnight highs?
Yep. That's what I'm
All
looking
right,
for.
Dave's long 70.
I don't know. I might just kill it here.
Oh,
wait a-
no,
got it.
no.
Oh, it took me out at. Oh shoot.
Well, that's
I
a
didn't
good.
need my.
You didn't need to. You're good. It was 20 points. Is good.
Actually,
It's come
it
back
was,
on you. It would have come straight back on you.
Yep. All
Yeah.
right, that was a good one. Set 470 to it was 17 points. 470 to 487. I was moving my take profit up and it caught it.
Morning, Kevin.
All
Welcome.
right. Hey, I'll take that.
He is building
Tried-
his dictatorship. I'm
I
not
tried-
talking about Minecraft. It is not Minecraft, okay? Alright, it is more advanced than Minecraft, okay?
Word down.
I will not have this slander.
Dude, people have built like whole civilizations in Minecraft.
Yeah, no,
Ever
I
seen the
mean,
YouTube videos?
Minecraft is good. I used to play modded Minecraft. I'm just saying, as a Minecraft player, oxygen not included is a level above.
That's true.
I'm not a gamer, so I don't know anything about. I
Yeah,
can't
I'm trying to get you
remember
on Lethal Company. You
I
don't want
am-
to play Lethal Company with the boys?
I'm not going to lie. The last game that I played on either PC or console was, I don't know, Madden 2014 maybe.
Oh, God.
You don't want to know the last one I played.
What do you play, Dave?
I don't. You know.
Tiger Woods.
did you
PGA.
play Pong? Was it Pong? Or
Dave
Minesweeper.
got the golf in.
Minesweep on
Here's
the
the
PC.
I got those. I had those as a kid when they were new. I'm just going to date myself.
Yeah.
We absolutely had Pong, and thought it was the greatest thing ever.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah. Hey, Minesweeper and Solitaire are goated games.
Wait, Dave, were you an Atari guy?
Oh, back in the day, but that's not, back in the decades ago. Yes.
Sega Mega Drive was my first console.
Wow.
Sega Mega
I used
Drive?
to put-
Yeah, the Mega Drive was so good.
I used to build my own PCs though. I would, back in the day, get the CPUs and the RAM and all that and build it myself. I used to do that.
Wesley, why is it so ugly?
Price? Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, not you.
Okay, I was like, are you talking
Wasn't
about my
throwing
face
shots, yeah.
or?
There we go.
We got news coming up here in 15 minutes, so.
Yeah, I'm not being in a position.
I mean, really, it's not that ugly, Nim. It's straight up. I mean,
literally manipulated down at the open, and now it's straight up, and it's going to continue. Here's what I love playing Palmetto's stats now on the IB high and low after the first hour. That has paid me every day since he posted those stats.
Really? How do you trade it? I've seen so many people, like people have been DMing me about how different ways they've traded it. The way I originally thought of it was if you set initial bounce high, initial bounce low, and you identify which target is more likely, right? You're inside of initial balance. That was where I was thinking you get either long or short inside of initial balance, looking for the extreme as a target. But then I've seen you did a breakout trade. Matt's been doing breakout trades. I've had like 3 people DM me about breakout trades. I don't even think to use it like that, to use it as like a breakout and look for 10, 20 points above or below the extreme. Which one have you been doing?
Breakout. So what I'll do now, if it's a trend day, that probably is not going to work as well. And if it's a trend day, I use a different strat anyway. I do order blocks on a trend day, which is an ICT thing. But and Matt does that too a little bit, those order blocks. If it's a trend up, it's a red candle and a sea of green type thing. But what I'll do is if it sets the high IB first and it looks like it's coming down, well, I wait for it to get within 10, 20 points of IB low, look for the specific structure on the candles on the 5-minute. And when it gets, and you can tell it'll get excited, the candle will kind of move and get excited before it decides it's going to go take it out. And that's when I'll jump in. And I've rode that for more than 10 or 20 points. The other day I rode that for, I think, 30 or 40 points down because it was just a blow through. Yesterday, because it was so slidey, I was going to ride it higher, but all it was a wick it out and come back down through. So I ended up breaking
it back in yesterday.
Yeah.
Those are aggressive.
Yeah, but I love that. I love the stats, and it's worked out.
Okay, good to know. Thank you. Yeah, I'm glad I could share them. I got them from 2 other people, so I don't want to like take all the credit for it. I got the idea to look for them for 2 other people.
Well, it's a heck of a stat. Look, it doesn't work every day. Like it's trading's high probability, not guaranteed. So but it's worked out. Look at this. It just snapped. It just poked above, took out overnight low or high, and now it's coming back into the range. Unbelievable. I think we chopped.
Box to box. Tick the boxes. So.
Yeah, I mean, it basically touched my nearest support and nearest resistance is what it's done.
Which roll over, like, Brom said in the chat, could be an issue. It's been slidey. Yesterday was an okay day for me. I was up and then I ended up taking a loss, but fooling around, I got up and then it just got too slidey. I stopped.
There was one point yesterday where it grinded up into, what was it, 360, and then in a second it was like 100-point dump out of nowhere.
I was in that long. And
Yikes.
I had a break even. And so, no, actually, I think I maybe had a stop that moved up to like 200, 10 points, and it just slammed it.
I'm fairly certain I think I was on stream in a long, but I had put my stop in it, and it came back and kind of wicked me out for like a $50 win. And then 2 seconds later, it just hit 360, and it was like none shall pass.
I'm curious if anybody's in the chat is in the stream right now, or in the stream. They're in the stream, in a trade.
In a trade? Well, Sanders is trading it. Nim, don't you start pausing streams and stuff.
I didn't wait. Did you go back to my charts quickly? You got to give me a warning. I was trying to fix my account settings thing.
Nim, stop messing with things. Stop messing with things.
No. All right. All right. Do you want me to open the NFL futures on my screen?
No, you will not place bets on the Lions either.
We can have a look and decide what amount to place.
Martin's up 75
dude's so
points
retired.
already. Jeez, Martin. GG's. Oh, Khaled, you were in that long yesterday? Yeah, that was out of nowhere. I mean, that was quick, and there was nothing. If you didn't have a stop in, there was nothing you could do.
I was pretty aggressive on my stop, and I put it up, not just break even, but up positive because it was climbing pretty good, and then
Still
bam.
long from 450. There we go.
I know, I'm
Sanders.
telling you, Palm Sanders has been lights out.
He's killing it. He is killing it.
Catching every swing. And not just every swing, like the low of day and high of day kind of swings.
Animal.
He's got a time machine or something because he's killing it.
Yeah, he's been on it. Trading fantastically.
Don't go to my charts. I'm like trying to find my order bar.
Yeah, I see you
It's
messing
missing
with
somewhere.
things. I see you messing with things.
Where is it hide?
Wait, I'm not touching any of this right now.
Yeah, 10 minutes away from news. Kind of seems like just wait. That look above the overnight highs to look for the sell back in was really nice, but I was busy messing around with my settings, trying to set up a hotkey.
Oh, isn't that the worst?
I mean,
Palm, that's the one thing about like streaming as well, is I'll sit there, I'll be watching the chat, trying to engage with the chat, and then I'll look up and have missed something, and I'm 30 points away from my entry, and I'll be like, well, there goes that idea.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Happens. There's always more though.
Yeah, guys, chat, we got news in 9 minutes, so there's no reason to get into a position if you're not already in one right now. And if you are in one, I would consider either putting a safe stop in or exiting your position all in all. Locking in profits.
Michigan sentiment, yeah. Traders price.
It'd be
in
nice if
40%
news actually
chance.
moves us.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
See this at a while back. Traders price in 40% chance a half point Fed cut next week. Jeez, 50 basis points.
Wait, is FOMC is not next week, is it?
It must be.
So we got rollover and FOMC next week?
Oh, that doesn't sound fun.
Oh, that's great. What's the Z contract trading at? Like 250 points up right now?
Well, it'll be a gap up like the last one. This U contract. I haven't even looked.
Oh, goodbye, account selection. It's going to take forever to find it. I want to know, it's quite useful to know what account you're on.
Generally,
quite-
yeah, you generally
it's
want to know what
quite-
account you're trading, Nim.
Yeah, it's quite a handy tool to have. I really miss it.
It's full port minis. How should that change your trading? What account you're on?
Oh,
Come
right.
on now.
Yeah.
In reality,
You have
it
a strat,
shouldn't.
you have a strat.
In reality, it shouldn't, unless you're like testing strategies and using different accounts for different strats. All right, Nimkins, I'm about to go over to your charts right now.
Wait,
Right now.
don't come over yet. It's ugly. My level's on, I'm trying different things.
It's ugly.
Oh, okay, right, you can come over to my charts. I mean, what you want me to trade news? You told everyone
No.
not to trade news. You're like,
No,
come
I'm
over,
gonna go
let's
take
have a look at
a
Nima's
little
charts.
No, I'm gonna go take a little bathroom break so that people can look at your charts, and
Right.
that's that.
All right, fine.
So you're gonna stream Takeover, in other words, for a few minutes.
All right, let me make sure I can see the chat. All right, I'll do stream takeover. This will get you demonetized before you got monetized.
All right, and the only cameras on this scene, Palm and Dave, are mine and Nim's, so you guys are good for a few minutes, okay?
That's good.
Excellent.
Just for the record, I've had 3 trades this morning. A
Three?
$60 winner,
Three?
which was well, a $60
What
winner.
happened? When were the other two?
It was pre-market.
Oh,
Okay.
$60 winner, $155, and then a $330 winner. So
There we go.
I'm somewhat happy.
I've got the
Positive.
stream delayed so much. My charts have just appeared. Nothing to do here, guys. Nothing to trade. Everyone leave the stream. Go touch grass. Go do something with your day. Wesley doesn't need the viewers. We'll just hang out here by ourselves.
Sabotaging.
Yeah, that's what he gets for making me trade on my day off. Did you take a trade, Palmetto?
No, I'm waiting.
When's your
If I had
opening range
seen-
thing?
Dude, that paid. Oh my god. So my only problem with the opening range approach is PAX uses a really, really tight stop loss. Like I'm talking on ES, I'm talking like 3 or 4 ticks, like really tight.
Right.
But he's okay like running up a bunch of round trip trades and having like 10 or 15 attempts before the actual trade happens because his R is so big on those because the stop is so tight. I personally don't really want to try that. So I've been looking and just kind of observing more to look for opportunities where there's like a defined risk inside of the opening range that I can then, and let me know if this makes no sense at all. Inside of the opening range, looking for there to be defined risk. So like a prior pivot, swing higher, swing low, that if I place a buy stop or a sell stop at the extremes of opening range and we break through it, my stop is going to be below or above that pivot, as opposed to having like an arbitrary, very, very tight stop like PAX does, or having a really wide stop that's like the width of the entire opening range, which I don't really want to have either. Because today that would be 25 points ish, which I don't really want to give a trade 25 points.
Yeah.
Unless it's a micro, I don't want to even think about it.
I'm trading 5 at micros, but even then I still don't really want to give it 25 points. That just seems like too much. Sorry, Bram. It'd be easier if I could like visualize it on a chart, but
Yeah, sadly, you've all got my charts where nothing is going to happen.
I mean, I
So
think
that's
I'd
the
take
idea.
on micros, on 5 micros, I think I'd go 20, 25 points. That isn't egregious because I'm used to minis. I don't like taking 10 to 15 points on minis, I can tell you that. So, but it's
Yeah.
about the same.
yeah, that would 12.5 points on 1 mini would be the same as
exactly.
25 on 5.
Oh, welcome back, Wesley.
Yeah, I'm back.
Though,
nice.
Palm, the way PAX does it, I kind of do that too, is I'll get in a trade, put a very tight stop, and I'll go break even as soon as possible when it gets up maybe 7, 8 points. I get wicked. I'm going to have to give it room to breathe because I get out of it, pushes me out of a lot of them. But then I know if I like what the level is, I'll just keep going and it goes. One advantage of Top Step X is you're just paying $2.80 round trip.
Yeah, that's true. No commission.
Oh, they're really light on commissions if you're using Top Step X?
If you're using Top Step X.
Isn't it that they have like the platform itself has no commission? You have to pay like the NFA fees and all that.
That's it. So
Yeah.
in one hand, that's good. On the other hand, that's bad when I go somewhere else, and I'll do something different, then it's bad. Because it's a bad habit.
Guys,
Right,
news in 2.5
Fletcher, like-
minutes.
The R for 25 stop for 100 take profit, like yeah, that makes sense. But it's more so a question of if I'm trading on a prop account or even like if I was doing it on a personal, like how much drawdown can I give one trade idea before I write it off? So like if I have to take 5 potential stops of 25 points before I get proven right and I can make money on the trade, like I might not be able to trade after that, you know? That's why I'm just looking for a way to define the risk inside of opening range as opposed to having it be either really big or really small.
Wait, so Palm, are you trading
I don't know.
prop or are you trading personal?
No, I'm trading toss-up accounts.
Okay, okay. Like I was about to say, I don't know if
Yeah,
you want to be testing a strategy on your personal account, but
no. I finally got my toss-up login to work after
Okay,
going
good.
back and forth with support for like 3 hours. They were helpful though. She was quick about it, which is nice.
I don't know what account I'm trading.
Well, guys, we have 30 people in here right now, so we are climbing. We are climbing. And for those that are just joining, welcome. Upper right is Palmetto, or upper right is Nimkins. Here, actually, you
That's
can
right.
see who they all are. I'll put their names on the screen.
What? You keep giving us name tags? Is this like our first day at work?
All I got to do is move my cursor over to Discord and it'll show your names. See? The only one that doesn't pop up is me.
Okay, I don't like when my name's sing. Okay, alright, yeah, it's gone now.
Your catfishing days are over, Nimkins. Sorry.
I mean, was anyone catfished?
I mean, I wasn't. Well, Dave
No.
was fooled initially. Palm, were you fooled?
Kind of. Like at first I thought the photo
no,
was you,
alright.
but then I saw other people saying it wasn't, and I was like, oh, I'm missing something here.
I won't expose you sliding into my DMs asking to take me out. Tom,
Yeah, pull them up.
The hell just happened there? I gotta.
News.
Look weird.
news, yeah.
Whoa.
Well, where's, I didn't okay.
And I got a weird Top Stack message that said the markets are closed, and then right away markets are open. Something's going on weird with Top Stack X. Whoa. That's not the best.
Is that prelude that we've hit circuit breaker and we just don't know it yet?
Right. That was
Fletcher
weird.
says he was fooled not in a simp way. Okay, so all we've done is tested once again. We swept the highs, came down and tested the lows, and now we're right at VWAP.
We've done nothing. We're just going to sit in the middle.
Yeah, we've done absolutely nothing, really.
Well, guys, I don't want to execute in this middle zone.
I don't blame you.
I don't blame you either. I'm sitting on my hands.
I mean, if I limit order at the boxes, I get paid. But do I want to do that? You don't get any confirmation. It just taps it once that you have to have a limit order sitting there waiting.
I mean, I want to see a test outside of the boxes is what I want to see first.
I think you're asking for a lot looking at this action and the overnight.
I mean, some people are good at scalping this little. I mean, it's a wide range. It's like 100-point range.
I'm good at scalping these ranges to a blown account.
Dave's really good at it. Sanders seems to be pretty good at it as well.
I want you to accept it's a range day.
Fletcher says he's only sexually attracted to money. Sorry, everyone.
It's all good, man.
Yeah, I want to see a break outside the two levels that you're seeing on the stream.
I'm not sure we get it here in this morning session.
Dave, don't say that.
It's ridiculous.
Don't say that.
No, but if he says that, then it happens. That's normally the way it works, isn't it?
Hey, look, I already got.
What happens is Dave, it moves 100 points, and then Dave goes, "I'm long from 460." Sorry.
Yeah, that's right.
That's what happens.
I was just adjusting my entry
when
10 minutes
we're
ago.
at
I was just
560,
making
Dave's
sure.
like, I'm long from 460.
Yeah, where you guys been? Where you been? I don't understand. Well, that was a nasty spike up and spike down just to sit here at some mythical, magical.
VWAP is the mythical.
thing.
Yeah, that's the
that
mythical
I do
zone.
not have on my charts. I don't have them on my charts.
That's where we are.
I'm hearing Albu in the back of my head saying delete VWAP right now.
Why does he say that? I never got that meme.
He just
hates you up?
he doesn't believe in it. He doesn't believe.
He doesn't believe in it.
I only believe in it when I'm in a trade and it won't go past it because people keep shorting it.
I believe it when price is just chopping around it. And it seems like a magnet.
Well, we've got point of control at what, 71, 72, VWAP at 55. I think this is where we stay. This is where we live.
So, if you believe
No,
my,
this is
my,
not where we
strat-
stay.
Yeah, we are.
Well,
How is volume right now? Is volume way down or is it pretty normal? Let's see here.
I guess it's split between the contracts, so it's going to be down.
The volume has to be down, which is going to give you this spiky stuff.
I mean, look at this 5-minute candle on NQ right now.
Disgusting. I want to take a long, but where do I get in?
Here's my thought on this price action. Oh, I don't know.
Yeah,
right now
there we
for a
go.
long, I'd want to see a clean break above 520, come back down, test 500, and hold above.
And that's what I need help with, is the whole break and retest. I'm still... I mean, I get it. Conceptually, I see it. I just not executing it well.
So the easiest way I can explain it is I like to see it on the 5-minute, but entry is based on a lower time for like the 1 minute or 2 minute. In this
okay, I don't go down to
instance, if it breaks above 520, like up to 530 and comes back down, I'd want to see at least a test of, 505 to 510 and price to be holding above for the long. If it loses 500 on the way back down and isn't just like a wick below on the 5-minute, that would invalidate the trade for me.
If we go to 520 and let's say we chop between 500 and 520 without breaking out of it, but then we wick down once and then reclaim, would you look for a long?
Yes.
Okay. That's what I learned from you from yesterday. I didn't realize that concept. I was just looking for the break above, come back down, hold it for the long.
So like as far as price would go in this instance, if price came up above 500, came up to 520, tested 520 and never broke above 520 and came back down, what I'd look for is the wick below 500 and the immediate reclaim. And no candle, like the candle to close above 500 on the 5-minute. Do you see what I'm saying? So you're testing price a little below 500, but reclaiming for the long. And the target on that for me would be 630, 620, somewhere around there.
Dave, what's a DOL?
A draw on liquidity.
Oh, gotcha.
Right now it looks like more liquidity is to the top side than to the downside. We do have a big block sitting right at 460, but it's looking like the majority of the blocks are upside. All right, so here's 500. Let's see if we get it.
Love to see a bounce come down off of overnight high then, and use that as support, possibly. That's down at 490, 489.
Honestly, as long as we're holding above the overnight highs, I think longs are on the table.
Oh,
I mean, remains to be seen, but
has the stream gone down?
Not that I know of.
It might just be my connection. The cat's called Ray.
All right, this is what I want to see, but it has to hold.
I don't like it yet.
Nope, I want to see 520 get traded first, and then I want it to come back down and be holding 500. If it does not do that, I want to see 520 get traded. I want to see it smack back down and hold above 500.
520 to me. So 520 to me on the hour chart is it's 524 is the perfect taking liquidity on the 1 hour chart. And yeah, coming back down into a 5 minute fair value gap, I get that now. That's kind of a break and hold for me.
I don't know what this fair value gap you speak of is, but sure.
It's Phil.
It's a key level.
It's Phil.
It's Phil. Phil, up to his old tricks again.
It's Phil.
Yep, Phil the market maker hunting his stops, right?
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah, it's a bathroom break from Phil.
Yeah, there's some issues there, isn't there?
Looks like Fletcher trades ICT as well, Dave.
Yeah, I just saw that.
I mean, some people have success. Whatever terminology allows you to understand market movement, I really don't. It's fine if that's what helps you. By all means, use it. You know, we're all here trying to make money. If it helps you make money, use it.
It's just whatever clicks in your brain. That's all it is. I mean, because all of these either concepts or even just terminology, it's kind of all based on the same thing. You're going to find support, you're going to find resistance.
Yeah, we're all looking at the same stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, well,
Here we go. Now, Wes, is this something you want to act on or you want to wait? It didn't get up high enough, did it?
I still want to wait. No, it didn't get high enough. Not for me. It's like, because we're moving up, it's too risky of a short for me. In order for me to get short at this point with all the buying that we've seen recently, I would need to see a clean break back below, say, I'm almost not looking at a short until back below 400 at this point.
Yeah, I think you're right about that.
yeah, I don't want to press the red button.
Yeah. One of my problems early on, which I think is probably everybody has, and I've not done this very much at all, I'm really new to this, was trying to run things. I would just get chewed up trying to, and Wes, when I started following you and Kevin a lot more, watching what you guys are doing, is wait for the level, then go in, instead of trying to front run it to where it's going to go, because it does a lot of turns back and forth before it gets there if you try to front run it.
Yes. Yeah, you risk getting
I'm
chopped
long
up.
from 492.
You're long from 492?
Taking that rejection
Yeah.
off of over time.
I don't mind it. Looks pretty good.
I don't mind it either. Its whole price is holding up pretty well.
And
You might get a sweep down through the 70s. It looks like
Yeah,
I've
it
seen
might
some
take-
Yeah,
orders
I just had my max stop at 77, so if it trades that low, then I'll just take the stop and look to re-enter. But I like the fact that we're holding up around the overnight highs.
there. I agree.
Yeah,
So I have my
that's a good
first target going off at that prior high, like 511, and then
I agree.
second target like mid 20s, like 525, and then the runner target is 550.
Okay, yep.
Not much of a
agree.
runner, but
I mean, that's a
I'll be-
60-point trade, Palm.
look at this. I mean, that's a good run right
we'll see if we get it.
I think
I
you
just put
do.
the stops break even though. The stops are break even, so it's risk free
There you
regardless.
go. Yeah, you're risk free. Let it run. And the other thing too is when I first started this, I found Matt through his challenge with Daniel Inskeep, and that was pretty helpful too.
Me too.
I found it through that as well. Yep.
I think a lot of people did. There's like a whole group of people in that Discord that like all migrated around the same time when that
Yep.
video came out and started gaining traction.
I don't know. I've been watching Matt for a long time.
Yep. That's the first one I really started watching, and the Discord first Discord I joined was his, and still there obviously. It's yeah.
I think I've been watching Matt since like 2020.
Ooh.
Took my
Yikes.
break evens.
Oh.
This is the problem with
Oh.
rollover. It'll snap on you so fast.
Yeah, that was dirty.
That's ugly. I was thinking about taking the long up there as well.
I
Thank
mean,
God.
that's a near triple top
Um,
up there.
Yeah.
5 minute.
Can you imagine it
That
gets
was-
run?
Up 70 after all of that.
Oh,
That's
nice.
Oh,
decent.
good man.
Nice.
Did not get the second target.
Good job, though.
Broke the duck of the winning trades on live stream.
I had one earlier. What the hell?
Oh,
man?
yeah.
No. Palmetto. Yeah, hey,
For
no,
me,
no.
yeah.
Like, Dave, we had a good time last week.
Oh, Palm. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
No, I was fine. Like mentally, I was cool, and I closed the day like -16. So
That's
Oh, okay.
Yes.
That's
break
nice.
even
basically
essentially.
flat, yeah.
I mean, I still
I
like
think
upside.
Yeah, I like
I
the
think
upside
you-
too, but where do I get in?
I
Don't make
think
me-
with this, with being rollover, I think you just can't hold on to anything too long. I think 10, 20 points and get out.
I want to hold something.
I don't know if you, I don't know. Is Sanders still in his?
Probably.
Probably.
I'm not sure.
Probably.
No reason to get out at his entry.
He'll somehow be long from 19k 100.
Oh, if we get down there, I will definitely be. I'll probably put on some size. I'm thinking that's a money long.
Wesley, that is a pipe dream that's not going to happen.
Whatever, Mr. 18,450.
Yeah, I mean, if we get down there, I'll put on some size. I don't know what account I'll be putting the size on, but I'll put on some size.
Oh my gosh. He's a big talker that we're all the way up here.
I know.
If we suddenly start flushing 1,000 points, I'll be like, please, circuit breaker, please save me. Don't
Tom,
let
did you
me
get
do
back
it.
in?
No,
Okay. I need a little
You know
more
how bad it-
confirmation is what I need. I need 520 to get traded, and then to retest 500.
Oh, I'm thinking about going.
but yeah, we still haven't taken out that news high.
No.
That was the like kind of ish the second target. It was a little above it, but
I'm gonna get naughty and put 2 micros on. Or it could be 3 Ollie. Could throw 3 down.
Golly, I'm a horrible trader on Fridays. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why it's Fridays that I'm just no good, but I used to just take Fridays off, guys. Like I used to just not trade on
not a bad
Fridays.
idea.
Yeah, I did until you started trading with the boys.
I know that's why I do trading with the boys, so I don't have to, so I don't feel the pressure of taking trades.
That's honestly very fair.
Is it fair?
Yeah, I mean, I think so. Get other people
I
to
think
do
so
your
as
work
well.
for you.
Thanks, Palm.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Get other people to do your work for you. And you
Yep.
think that's fair. Yeah.
Yeah.
I am thinking about buying VWAP. That's how bad it's got.
I'm not.
we go back down
I
there-
think we get what we're looking for here. It's starting to feel
Yeah, but-
that way.
He's going to run away from us before we get confirmation.
Then you miss it.
It's
all.
either-
Honestly,
It's true.
that retrade of like 480s would have been
Yeah.
a really good long.
Mm-hmm.
I got distracted again. I was looking up what the commissions are for the top steps, like for MNQ, because I didn't have them set in, so it wasn't factoring in commissions into my balances.
Oh, okay. You were doing some quick math, huh?
I was now Googling what top steps commissions are. But yeah, I like that 480 long a lot too, because it's overnight value area high, looked below prior high, came back above, all the things.
See, I'm not a breakout trader, but I'm
Oh,
almost
nice
half
harsh.
tempted to take this breakout. Yep, there it goes.
Ooh, there's 520.
Yeah.
Hey, morning, Mason. How's moving day? Mason's moving back to uni today.
Oh, nice.
All right, so there's 520 tap. There's the retest of 5. I'd want to see a wick below because it didn't break 520 and a reclaim of 500, and then I'd be long. So I'm looking at the 2-minute chart right now. Kind of what we did yesterday down there in the voice chat on Discord. I know you weren't there, Palm, but I took a trade on there later in the afternoon and explained it kind of the same way.
Cool. You use the 2-minute as an execution chart?
I don't. Well, there goes that trade idea.
Holy puke.
This is ugly.
If we can
Yeah,
reclaim and just form a wick here, I don't mind it still.
Is this like par for the course on rollover? You get these like aggressive slides because we saw that yesterday too, off of initial balance high.
I'm not sure. I haven't really paid attention to like previous rollovers. I just know overall the market right now is slidey. Like you just hit these weird, random spots where it just slides around, and it's not like small amount of sliding. It's at 50 point, 100 point clips.
Yeah, like yesterday was crazy. It was 3 times in a row. We traded above initial balance, and then within like 2 minutes, we're down 100 points.
Okay, if this
And then we're
2-minute
seeing
closes
that
above
here,
500
it's
here, I'm
smaller.
probably going to try the long. Close right at 500.
I'm about ready to get in.
All right,
there.
I'm long.
Do it.
Our said last rollover was choppy, but not this slidey. Yeah, I just haven't paid attention to it. Probably should though. Honestly,
I'm in
during
as well.
rollover weeks, a lot of times I'll take like 2 or 3 days off. You're long, Wes?
Yep.
Yep. So am I.
From 500.
503, I got the entry.
501.75. 501.75 for me.
Oh, nice.
I'm not going to give it a whole lot of risk, though. I'm only going to risk down to like 490.
Yeah, I put my risk right at overnight, just below overnight 48.
Oh, I put a break-even stop in because I don't want to lose money.
Fletcher's long
Sanders-
98.
stopped out.
Sanders added a 500.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, this
stopped
thing,
out.
you got to give this room to. Yeah, I might lose.
I've got to give it room to breathe, but I just don't trust it. It's either going to go or it's not going to go.
Kind of wanted to see it push 520 there, but I'm going to hang in there.
I'm hanging in. Let's see what happens.
5 minutes pretty ugly, I'm not gonna lie.
I know.
Yeah, it really is. I mean, that might have been, but a minute.
Yeah, there we
Oh,
go.
here we go.
Yeah, yeah.
It
That's
hasn't
why the
taken me out
break-even
yet,
stop.
but it will. Ooh, just missed me.
Missed my stop, too.
Just missed it.
I might go back in now after that wick down.
Yeah, that was a sign, but it just missed it. The sign that's going to crash through it next time is what the sign is.
Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it enough.
I'm hanging in.
Now I'm going to move up. Now I'm going to move it up.
I wanted to run these top wicks on this 5-minute candle.
It'll do that.
It's going to go now. You'd think it would anyway.
Watch it snap. I'm going to leave my stop where it's at though. I'll get it to break even soon enough, but it's got to give some excitement. I'm putting my I'm going to put my take profit.
It's just
Put in.
all the stacked orders are higher still, is why I'm thinking we go up there and draw on that. I don't really want to put a break-even stop, but it's just not getting
know,
the push I want to see.
Yeah, I'm going to go break even right now. Plus 1 point. Plus half a point just to cover commission.
All right, here we go.
There you
You
go.
really get directional out of this? The next thing I have, like, we're pretty light on volume until we hit like 680, 700-ish
I
area.
know.
Yeah,
So
no,
it could be a pretty big runner.
520 is where it'll
All right,
hit
my
that.
stop's at 504 to lock in break even at this point.
Nice.
I don't want it coming
Yeah, my
back.
stop is like, my stop's at 502.25. I like. Let's see what's the next stop here. Take 522 on the 15-minute, and then the next kind of area, a weekly open and monthly opens at 604. That's where I'm gonna. I don't know if it goes that high.
If we don't run that top wick there at 520, like if we don't run 520, or if I don't get stopped out here at the end of this 5-minute candle, I'll probably kill it because it could just chop here for a while.
It's gonna.
I'm stopped out.
It's gonna take my. I'm not. It hasn't done me yet. We're still.
Dave is still alive.
I mean, I've got the break-even stop, but I'm still in it. 1 mini. I probably should have added.
No, you can't add into this yet. If we break it, then yeah, you can add.
Well, when it didn't take me out, that was a sign for me to add.
That was a sign from Phil.
That was a sign from Phil.
Yeah,
I think you get it.
I'm still
I
hanging
think it
in.
runs.
yeah,
the
I think
top.
it's gonna run. I think it's gonna run. I feel sad now about my break-even stop, but
Yeah, me too. But
I'm up
it
10
happens.
points.
It
I'm
happens.
not willing to have one of those 60-point, 70-point sliders come in.
I'm going to hang on to this. I'm not moving this stop from break even. I'm just going to let it run.
There you go.
Oh, here we go. All right, now I'm going to move. Don't. I'm going to move my stop up, so at least I get. Oh, it just took me out. Dang it. I was moving my stop up and it took me out.
Man.
All right. Well, it was a winning trade for all of us, at least.
Yeah, what
Oh,
did
it's
I
gonna go
what
up
did
now.
I take there?
I got too
20
aggressive.
points? Or no, $20, I think.
Oh, nice. I got two. I got $2. I'm up. I call that a win.
I got too aggressive. What a. Oh.
Yeah, me too.
Said I was going to leave it. I didn't leave it. Didn't leave
Me
it.
too.
Should've left it
All
in.
right,
All right,
so
goodbye,
here's the wick above
price.
20. I'm not opposed to hopping back on, but I want to see it come back down one more time.
I think we fly to 600 now, and we all just sit here looking
On to the
really
next.
sad.
What did I miss?
The break above
I got
520.
aggressive. Yeah, I got aggressive. I'm moving my stop up and it.
Electric.
I mean, literally to the tick. Yeah, I made 105 on that when I could have made a lot more.
All right, if we
should
hold
let that
500
take it.
here, that's basically what I described as the move. Wick above 520. I'm not
Honestly,
opposed to
there's 4
hopping back
minutes.
on.
There's 4 minutes till IB set. 3 minutes.
Mm,
500.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for that.
it is holding, but it looks heavy.
Oh, maybe I was. See, I should have stuck with what I said. 10 to 20 points is what you'll get on these moves. That's something for the memory books. Memory banks, I should say.
It's 523 Albu's short level.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, glad we got out.
Yep.
That looks fun.
Yeah, you know what? With this move, with this rollover, 10 to 20 points, man. I'm just gonna go with that now.
Point of control buy has been paying every time.
I don't know if I like calling these live. I like telling you guys when I'm 20 points in profit. That
Yeah, you can't do that if you're looking for 10 or 20 points. You're just telling us when you're out then.
I don't know what I like here.
It's like the screenshot curse times 10.
I mean, I took that for 5 points, so yay me. But
That's 5 points. That's better than the rest of us. Oh no, actually Palmetto's done the best so far.
Yeah, Palmetto's
yeah,
definitely.
Palms.
Brother,
Yeah.
I'm up $70.
Oh, look at this.
Oh.
Look at this.
That's
All right, can
better than
we
me.
come down to 120? Can we come down to 120 and get the buy down now?
To 120?
Where's? Oh,
What?
sorry, I doubted. 120? 120? Come down to?
Yes, please.
That's aggressive.
But look, a VWAP buyer is being rewarded again.
Yep.
From a higher time frame perspective, we've been ripping all week, and at least on the hourly for MNQ, closing back below inside of overnight range is going to leave a lot of excess above the highs. And we just had multiple attempts to trade higher, and now we got this really aggressive slap off the highs. Kind of suspect for longs. That's my take.
Let me look at the daily here real quick.
Guys, I've got my account back. I can see it now.
Oh my god.
All right, Wesley, you're saved. There will be no bet placed on the Lions winning the Super Bowl today.
do not bet on the Lions winning the Super Bowl.
But-
Don't you do it. They've never won the Super. They've never been to a Super Bowl. Why would you do that?
Yeah. But if I bet 20,000, I take home 220,000 when they win it.
Oh my
Nice.
goodness.
We don't think about we don't think about the money that I could lose. We think about the 220k. And if they win the Super Bowl, I will give you £20, Wesley, out of the winnings.
20 pounds, huh? That's what you're gonna get.
Yeah.
Wait,
This.
Yeah, that's correct.
what's your buy-in for that? For 220K?
20,000. 20,000.
20,000?
Yeah, I know. It's
Jesus.
absurd, Palm. It's absurd. Absolutely absurd.
I thought
I
we were
put-
talking like $20. For $20,
No,
I'd be like,
He's
oh,
giving
yeah.
me $20.
No, the first Lions game I watched, at the weekend, I put $1,300 on it, and then started sweating so badly
Oh.
when it started going wrong.
That's gonna be
I'm
every
about
week.
tired
ready
are you?
to, Palm, I'm about ready to do the IB thing here. Let's see.
We have
really?
a wick test.
Today's setting up to be one of those 30% days.
It is.
Well, I mean, so we set IBH second. We just
Yep.
set it before the puke. So that's the 70% is statistically
Yep.
likely to take out IBH, but we also are 100 points away from it at this point.
This
we're
looks like the
looking at
30%.
Well, Sanders is short
So,
from
yeah.
462, so maybe we
just
should
went-
just all
I
look
ju-
short here.
Oh, okay.
I'm looking for a short here. I'm looking for a little bit of a pullback and a short. If it hits IBL
I
first,
want a long. I was thinking about a long off this level, this bottom box, but it's
No.
too late. It's gone.
we're gonna take IBL.
410 overnight low long.
Look at Sanders. My gosh, how does he do it? How does he do
I
it?
don't know. It's like he's just
Uh,
playing momentum.
Someone's
Yes,
trading
he's
on his
playing
account for him.
He's playing
Phil's trading on his account for him.
Phil's
See that
trading
Phil
on his
meme? It's
account.
so funny. I wasn't watching that stream, but I heard about it right after. And was like, that's my character.
Yeah. So ridiculous.
It's-
Yep.
It's so
It
Phil,
good.
was
Phil
I
hunted his
love it
stop
so
on
much.
his practice account. For
Yeah.
sure.
Oh, it was ridiculous.
Yeah, but that's the marketing genius now as well. Instead of like it's the market makers, he's given them a name. Now everyone can like personalize the market makers.
Oh no, he's a marketing he's a genius. He's
Yeah.
an absolute marketing genius for sure.
Not trading live, but at marketing.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dave, I wanted to I have nothing against trading ICT. I think, like
Here
what
it
Wesley was
comes.
saying, whatever works for you works for you.
Yeah.
I just
Yeah,
think
exactly.
ICT, the guy himself, kind of sucks.
I can't do it. I can't. Yeah, he does. I do. I went over to the guy called T Trades, and
Yeah.
he explains it so well, and does a great job of it. And his educational material is top notch. His videos, plus he puts PDFs with them.
Mhm.
That's where I went. Man, I put a
Okay.
whole. I gotta find it. I put a whole notebook together of it.
Nice.
Yeah, he did a nice job on it. I am about ready to take a short here.
I'm looking
I-
at the
Is
that
same
long?
thing.
I mean,
We're
the long
smack
width.
in the middle of that.
I like the
long-
longs. I like the longs from here. We came down, we failed. Look at that wick up, that buy up off Wesley's box.
It could be a failure swing. I agree. It could be a failure swing.
Wesley, 50 points off the box.
That's probably the short.
Well,
right
I'm
there.
long. I mean, I'm short. So here we go.
I know. I just need to
450.
limit order at the extremes of my levels. I think it's good for a 10, 20 point bounce every time, nearly.
What I like is it went above the midnight open, so now you're in premium, and now you take the short as it was. It's got momentum down. I think we're still going to see down first.
I think so
Yeah.
too. I'm leaning short side right now, but I want to see below 400 first. I just can't get involved where we're at right now. It's too choppy.
This is the mistake I make. I'm trying to front run.
I think the problem is we spent the whole overnight in this range. How long have we been in this range for? Like 12 hours? Something like that? And we've never left it. We've never left between between Wesley's two boxes.
That's
We're
why I
just
was
literally
saying
in this
that
channel.
we left a lot of excess above the overnight highs on higher time frames. Like on the 1 hour, we're working on putting up like 40 points of excess there.
Yep.
After a huge run to the upside from, I don't even know when it started because I wasn't watching earlier this week, but I just know we're up a lot. So, I mean, Friday, profit taking, stalling out, maybe a correction, all of that's on the table.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Wish we could go somewhere though, at least. Just like make it a bit fun.
Yeah. I don't know. We could go sideways.
We're at VWAP again, Wesley.
I know.
You know, let's see what it does here with this 5-minute candle close. That's pretty ugly, but let's see.
Kev, are you in the chat? Where's your minis at?
Here we go. Ooh, don't like that. Yeah, okay, I like it. Ooh, don't like it. Yeah, I like it.
This is going back to that long when you caught the bottom.
That's right. That was a day.
Martin. So Martin in chat, do you watch the prior day's close as well? I see he's marking out like top of opening range, London IB and all that.
Why is it not on my charts? 420 was the close yesterday. You know why I know that? Because I called it, and I'm going to tell people that I called it.
On MNPU, I have 413 quarter.
I like what Kevin's doing. He's at 452. He's short.
452 looking for
All right, so
yeah,
we
but
go
is it
long now because he's going to take all
yeah,
well,
yeah,
on this
yeah,
one.
yeah, that's it. Long signal. We've got an entry.
I'm moving my break even to 600.
Yeah, move your break
My
even.
stop.
Yeah.
I got to move it to 600 because it's now going to go up because Kevin went short.
Wait.
That's okay.
Wait,
Yeah.
you need the key put. Yeah, there we go. Look at that pump off 452.
See, he'll get it.
Yeah,
Now he's going to get his 360.
it's a micro entry. You know it. After we got that pump, it's a micro entry. If it's a mini entry, he's always to the tick, and it just goes his way.
Amazing.
You have to find out if Kev's put micros or minis. That's the key piece of information you need.
Okay, this is brutal. Let's see, this is what you get for front running.
I don't think your entry was a front run necessarily. I think the short continuation there looked really good. I think it just failed.
Yeah.
I think, yeah. Again, roll over.
VWAP.
Did you take, was that break even or did you take a stop?
Oh, I'm still in it.
Oh,
Oh, you're still in. Where's your stop?
Well, it's about to get hit, but I'm going to move it. I'm going to put it up to.
don't move the stop.
Careful.
This is the game we play.
I'm out.
Yeah.
I'm out. It took me out.
Good decision, I think.
Yeah.
It took me out.
No, I'm almost
Okay,
thinking about
reset.
punching long here, even though I don't like to operate.
You're
around
buying
VWAP.
VWAP. You're buying VWAP. I called this earlier and you said you didn't like it, and now you've
I
come
don't
around.
like it. It's,
I don't
Yeah,
like
but that's the
buying
only
it.
entry. That's the only entry you can get. Unless we limit ordered at 410
Right in the
or
middle of the
420.
river. Why would you take a trade
I
here?
don't think there's much to do here, honestly.
I
And,
don't
like,
think
other
so
than like
either, but-
trading 480 to 440 and 440 back up to 480, looking for like the value rotations. We're just smack in the middle of everything right now.
Sanders, only 50 points up. You're going downhill, buddy. Where's the 600 points in this 40-point chop?
Honestly, if we get like a nice stall out or a nice wick and reclaim at 480, I am interested in the long all the way down to IBO.
You mean the short?
Yeah, short. Sorry, my bad.
You're inverted
Just take
long.
the heat.
Yeah, it's a sketchy long, right?
Yeah.
I'm not touching this right now.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't.
I mean, we're stalling
think-
here. So we'd just
Look
like to
at
see
the-
480
look
trade
at
though.
the hourly and see what's going on.
Wait, Fletcher, what are you saying? You're saying it looks nice. I just see VWAP chop.
Here's a suspect thing. On the 15-minute, it just took out that prior low. Barely. Kind of didn't take out the 400 that I was looking for. Failure swing on the 1 hour right now is what it looks like. Take out the
GG Ollie.
Yeah, Ollie, I'm with
The
you.
hourly does look kind of sketch for longs.
See what I mean?
Just-
I mean, we still have 20 minutes till we close now, but the fact that we're leaving that much excess up there and the
Yeah.
fact that the slide off of the highs was so aggressive, 100 plus points.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was a late.
Interesting.
That's what I typed in the chat. I was late and early on that entry. I was late for coming down and too early.
I don't know though.
Dude, I think it would be
this
savage.
still feels like
If-
it wants up here around 700 though to me. Like
I agree, but where do you get in?
I think it would be savage if we go run IBH after that slide.
That will be savage.
Do you want?
That was.
Um,
That will be.
Does anyone want to buy in no man's land here in the area that we've chopped like for the last 12 hours?
Yeah, because
No,
look at these
I-
wicks. Look at the damage on the 15-minute. I mean, massive carnage with those wicks.
I agree with Wesley that at some point we are gonna break out this range and go and see the upside, but how much chop are you gonna have to endure before we do it?
I just don't know.
Wow. Oh gosh.
I
this
should have.
thing's
I
gonna
should have
pop.
just bought VWAP when I said I was going to. Is what I should have done,
Yeah.
and not been hesitant.
We're trying to get above the overnight highs again, above 480.
And we're just kind of cruising it. I took a long. I'm long at
What, 460?
I swear.
89. 89.
89.
Okay, all right,
All right,
okay.
that's reasonable.
I'm tight stop though. I mean, I'm not letting this thing. In fact, I'm gonna, as soon as it gives me enough room, I'm gonna probably go break even.
That prior swing low, like 475. Is that your stop?
Yep.
Yeah.
479. 479, but yeah.
Nice.
All
I see the
there's
prior
a-
swing low.
There's a 60 plus block at 490 and building to the buy side.
I'm about ready to go break even on this.
Yes, this is the budget top step TV.
I was gonna say, did you see that?
Is it
Oh, I
the
missed
budget
that. Oh yeah,
top
no, I
step
shouldn't
TV?
be slinging.
Yeah.
I shouldn't be slinging. This is stupid.
Dollar store top step TV. All right, so who's Michael Patak?
I'm break even right now.
So who's Michael Pataki? Definitely not me.
I say
I
it's
don't know.
Wesley.
I never watch them. I don't know who these people are. Is that a bad person
just-
to be? Who's the good one that you can get out of it?
You don't know who Michael Patak is?
Go on.
But I don't watch Top
He's-
Step TV.
He's CEO of Top Step.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
okay.
okay. I don't
I'm
know.
like,
Kind of looks like Dave
This-
Portnoy from Barstool Sports.
Does-
Oh, okay. All right, yeah, I'm with you.
Portnoy.
I'm break even. I'm not sure I like that, but because I think it comes back down.
Yo,
That's
level
what I
up
was
house
saying.
account.
Your level up house account?
Yeah, it's called
Dave,
Wesley's
you're fine.
personal.
I think you're good. Let it run, brother. I'm thinking
Level up house account.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Wesley's
We get
personal
Wesley's
account.
personal on here.
Wesley's
And then we
personal.
all get to trade it.
That's right. That's what I've been saying about this idea. I've been trying to sell
you're
it to
not
Wesley.
trading my personal
He
account on
doesn't
this
see-
stream, dude. It's
Why
not
not?
happening.
Why not?
It is not
Where's the
happening.
Where's my shot? I'm sure
It
it's a
is
good
not
account,
a house
Wesley.
account.
I'm sure it will look pretty on stream and get the viewers in.
Nope, I'm good. I'm good on all
I
that.
like that I took the trade where it passed up overnight high again. I liked that part of it.
Are you still in, or you
That's
took
what we're
break?
going
You
for.
got break evens.
Oh no, I'm still in it.
Nice.
I'm plus. Yeah.
Sanders is
74.
short again. Be warned.
Oh my god. And he's usually right.
Yeah.
I don't know if I like the
Oh.
short up here.
I don't like it, but I don't want to doubt him after the last 2 days.
It's true. Very
This thing
true.
was
Yeah.
down.
Yeah.
Even. This
I mean, if
is sort of-
Sanders is short, where are we going to? We're going
Oh,
down.
it's
We're
gonna
gonna
take me out.
we're gonna get that 120 buy if Sanders
There it
is
goes.
short.
Took me out, break even, and it'll go up now.
Yeah.
I got in too late. There it goes.
Sanders short
I don't know. The
498.
fact that we could not get below.
It should have. There we go.
that
There's the
opening
Oh,
low
sorry, Dave.
kind of said a lot to me.
This is a wild 70% stat.
Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it?
That's wild.
I loved my long. I get too aggressive on moving to break even, especially on slidey days. Actually on slidey days like we've had, probably want to do that. Saves you.
Yeah, I think break even. If you're in doubt, protect yourself.
I knew where it was going. I just didn't know how it would. Yeah, see, there it is. Oh,
Rubber up, Dave.
I'm
Rubber up.
almost thinking about punching the long and risking to below 500 at
that's-
this point. Oh, it's
That's a
running away.
wow.
It's gone. It's gone.
Wow.
See what I'm saying, Palm? I will front run that breakthrough.
Yeah, are you taking that?
No, I'm not now. That's what my plan was when it.
Okay, gotcha.
So when it broke overnight high again,
Mhm.
for me that was a sign to front run the breakthrough through IBH.
Mhm.
And it was the right trade.
Yeah, I
just
see
mismanaged the
what you
entry.
mean. Yeah, so that's the same idea I had as far as like how to trade that stat. What you're saying with front running it.
That's what I mean by that. Yeah.
Lambra, thank you very much. I didn't realise it was you who solved how to sort out how to select my account again. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. I was really worried.
But you see, Palm, how you could how with that stat deploying that, especially because you had the convergence. Well, I don't know if it's
Right.
convergence, but you had some good you had some good levels there. Overnight high, we'd already come up, broken it, but we hadn't said IBH. We came back down through. See, look at that, pops it right there. So that was a great sign to go in. I just got in right when I wanted to. Actually, I just mismanaged the stop. The stop
I'm
loss.
thinking about a long if we can come back down and retest like 510 and hold.
Yeah, I like your trade a lot, Dave. Like genuinely, I think that was a really good trade. I didn't see a great place to get in. I would have liked if after we had popped above overnight high, if we had seen like a good retrade of like 483-ish, kind of value area high 485, and reclaiming that, I would have gotten long with you. But we just held above it and then pumped. And it's really difficult for me to enter on consolidation like that.
Wesley,
only
are you
reason I-
thinking what I'm thinking?
I'm thinking I should have got long when I said I wanted to take the long in there at VWAP. Currently.
I don't know.
Did someone talk you out of it?
Yep.
Are you going to do a Kev and blame me?
Nope. I blame myself. I clicked the buttons.
Alright. Nice.
Elbow hypnotization.
You hear that,
Can't even
Kev?
say that
You can
word
only
anymore.
blame yourself. Can't blame Nims.
Your cat wants a trade there, Nimkins.
Yeah. He's in the background. Bless him. Yeah. He's already eaten. He's been greedy. It was his birthday yesterday.
He's being greedy. Is that what you just
Yeah,
said?
he's been greedy. Yeah.
You see now, Palm, how I didn't really bust through? To me, it just kind of took it. I think we whipped back down. I think we come back down now because it didn't just break through it. And
I don't know.
on that
This is
initial,
feeling like
the other thing that I
grind
look
higher to me,
for-
Dave.
Yeah.
it will grind
I
higher.
agree.
There's no question. It's going to grind higher, but we're going to see a dip down. What the other thing I look for when that IB is does it have strength or momentum blowing through it?
Yeah.
This
I
one
don't know that we're
doesn't.
going to get that today with the low volume. I don't think we're going to get
That's a good point.
the explosive move to the upside. I just think because of the low volume and it not being able to take those lows down at 400, I just don't. I
we
can't
might
take a
chop
short
you.
up here. I just can't do it.
I wouldn't. Oh, I'm not
I
looking
wanna-
for shorts here. I'm just looking for a pullback off of it.
I want the long. I want it to come down a little bit more. The long. Kev. Oh, I forgot you were in a short, Kev. That was the signal. We were given the signal when to go long.
That's true. We did.
Yeah.
That is why I was
Because-
thinking long, kind of initially.
He
It was
said
like, oh,
four-
catch
four-
short.
he said-
Oh, all right.
What did he give us? 450. He said to go long. It's good for 70 points now.
He's gonna take 200 points of heat. Sure, this is a surefire long.
Yeah, that's nothing. So
I'm
Palm, if you
short
look too,
from 523.
I like that.
Ooh.
I like that. I like
You
that.
shorting it?
I'm
I mean,
only
you-
looking for.
Line lower.
I mean, you don't have to
Yeah,
give
I'm
it much
short from
room.
523.
I mean, it's a,
Oh,
Yeah, I have a
500.
stop above IBH.
it's a cheap trade. And
I'm
only,
thinking
if
about
you
the
only
long.
want 10 or 20 points, I mean, don't look for 50. Just look for 10 or 20.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
I
the
don't know.
long. I want the
short-
long
I
off
can't
here.
short
It's
up here.
holding. It's holding.
You gotta be in a scalpy mindset today.
Break even 483. He's definitely
Not
out
like
of.
4 points away from my first take profit. I don't love that.
So Palm,
I
the
would
other
like
thing
to
I
see a flush.
it's gonna. I think.
What's
it
up?
will. The other thing I liked was over yesterday's high and the overnight high were so close together there too. That's why I liked that long.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you're targeting that. That was really like for me, an A+ setup. Run that.
I mean, Palm, if you look at the stream right now, I'll pull the heat map down so you can see where the liquidity is stacked higher. That's why I'm thinking we grind up,
Okay.
like right here, all up through the
Yes.
550. You don't really have a lot below except for this one big block here at like 515.
Gotcha.
I like
Thank you.
Palm's trade though. I like Palm's trade. It's a cheap.
I liked it too, but
I'm-
it's gonna stop out. I think
I'm long, by the way.
that was an aggressive rotation back up.
Yeah. Well, you got 10 seconds left on this candle. Let's see if we can just hold its position here.
Oh, what the? Oh my god! I got that stupid top step thing that people were getting yesterday.
I had a
Which
portion of time where
I'm
I
out, by
couldn't
the way.
execute on rhythmic with top step yesterday.
Yeah.
Bad you're out.
It's
'cause I
that
think
like
this was-
total buy quantity of contract would exceed limit. I think it's because I'm flattening.
I get that as well.
I do that, but I never get that message. Are
I
you
always
on,
get
I'm-
it every trade.
Are you on
I'm
top
still
step?
short on each account apparently.
Are you on? Are you?
Okay, that was a mess.
Are you trading the eval or the past account?
Yeah, their evals. I think what happens with that is when you press flatten, it creates a counter order.
How many
Um,
micros are you trading? 3.
5.
Yeah,
So
so
then
that
when I
what
try-
happens is because when you pass the account, you can only trade 2 micros. It's just a weird log error that happens if you go over 2 micros. It says account exceeded, like the amount.
Up, Kev added.
Yeah.
I'm long, At
I
20,
don't even know where I got out
but
of these.
I'm
It's
gonna
just
get stopped out.
here. Which my short might still play out. That's crazy. 23 to... Okay, I took 5 points stop loss on all of that. It played out. Okay.
Nice.
That's. I mean, yeah. It's
Jesus,
it was a
right
great
to target.
Stopped
Oh,
out.
Yeah,
yeah.
right to target.
It was a
Long
great.
story short, I guess I can't use my flat and all if I'm using 5 contracts.
What? Why?
That's good to know. The way flat and all works, from my understanding, is it creates a counter order. So, like, let's say I have, I'm long 5 micros, and my account path is 5 contracts. It creates counter orders for all those 5 contracts. So I'm technically then looking at 10 contracts, is the way the system sees it. I think. Again, this is just my guess. Because that's the same reason when people were having issues with like Apex Rhythmic, when they try to flatten all and it wouldn't flatten them, it would either like double their position or reverse it.
Yeah,
It's the same thing because it creates a counter order. So you get out of one, but then you get filled on another.
yeah, that was
that
that was
was-
wild when that was happening. Luckily, it worked out in my favor, but when it was going on,
Yeah.
That was a brilliant trade.
Well done,
It's
man.
like mine. Right trade. Just a little aggressive.
Bad execution
on
on
the
my
stop loss.
part.
Yeah, I mean it was
Yeah,
just
bad
trade
execution.
I mean, great entry, and that's the thing I've got to work on. I still have to work on my entries, but then the management of it once you've
Mhm.
had.
Yeah, I mean,
That
good to
entry
know that
there-
I can't use flatten.
Yeah. God, that was a good trade. And I liked it because
All right.
it didn't blow through. It only whipped IBH. To
Yeah.
me, that's the signal it's coming back.
Yeah,
the ring.
that's why I wanted the short.
That was a beautiful
The
short.
first wick through, and then that second little. I don't know how granular your time frame is. I'm using the 15-second chart for execution.
Oh my
and
gosh,
we-
I'm on. Wow. Okay.
Initially wicked through it, and then came back again and tested it at 29 and created a lower high, like 4 points below that prior wick. That's why I wanted to get short.
That was beautiful. I'm on 5 minute. I can't go lower than 5 minute right now. I just, for me.
I'm long, guys, just so you know.
I'm long
Ooh.
again. Where are you
What'd
long?
you
I'm at
get in?
507.
506 for me.
Oh, sorry, 505.
Yeah, I'll bounce off of an overnight high again. I don't know.
Are we actually going to get this push up though?
I'm
I
not
don't know.
sure. I mean, I might
No,
take
I'm
an
not
L
sure
here.
either.
My stop is just below 500, so I might take an L here, but it's worth a shot.
Yeah, it's gonna come down and grab you. Dang, Palm, I love that trade. I wish if I hadn't just tried to take that long up to IBH, I probably would have taken that trade on the short. Right, and I should have actually just be quick on it.
It's hard to like flip flop and reverse like that. I don't blame you.
Yeah.
It's really difficult mentally to kind of wrap your head around that.
What a key level.
All right, keep going.
Yeah,
Keep going, please.
I'm putting my break-even stop in. I'm not gonna let this wick back down like wildfire
I'm not-
here.
Wesley, do you
good.
have any rules
I wanna
against
give it more
eating
room.
on stream?
What's that?
Do you have any rules against eating on stream?
No. Are you kidding
No.
me? All right, I'm stopped
Okay.
out. No, you go right ahead and eat.
I'll be right back.
But I've Palm, when you put that setup, I started and I watched Matt kind of almost wait till IB. IB plays so well. Having that patience can pay off.
Yeah, it's a nice level.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, it's just like any other range, but I don't know the actual stats on this, but I've heard it described as a statistically significant level. I don't really know how to say it, just that it plays as support and resistance to a higher degree than a lot of other time frame levels. That's all I got.
Oh, I'm so mad at myself right now, guys, for even not trusting this move. I have a feeling that this was the trade.
I'm still in. I'm
Yeah,
just
stay
gonna
in.
let it play.
Stay in. But if you look at my charts on the stream right now, this is what I
Wait,
look
look
for.
at-
On the 2 minute, come up, test above 20, come back down,
Okay.
form a wick on the 2 minute here, hold above for the long.
I might have to start putting in the 2 minute one. I mean, I saw it on the 5 minute. There was the long wick down, and it just came and reclaimed.
I mean, it's currently good for 20 points.
Yeah. Just needs to keep going. I mean, what's
Yeah, I think it's going to. I think
I
it's
mean,
going
where
to.
should I put my take profit up at like 600?
Let's see. Yeah, it looks like there's some orders stacked up there. I would obviously have a break even stop in at this point, because if it's going to reject, this is where it's going to reject.
I feel it's going to wick me out as soon as I move the break even stop.
550 looks safe. I just don't know what they're going to do going into London close here. You got 35 minutes roughly to London close.
It's just not getting that push. It's just the volume's not there.
No, that's why it's going to be slow grindy. If it does go. I don't know that it's going to go. But the setup was there.
Well, I think it's going to stop me up for break even.
I hope nobody's watching this for my trade advice. I'm still a newbie. So
You're good, Dave.
You're
I'm
good.
just learning as I go.
You're a
That's
good
what we
trader.
like. We like different levels of trading. That's what we want to hear. All right, you're still in a trade over here, Nim? Yes, you are in a trade.
Don't put my charts up.
They're up.
Oh my god.
They are.
Well, I'm no longer in a trade. No need.
Oh, you
No
are in a
need.
trade. You
Stop-
gotta stop that.
I'm break even stop.
Yeah, that was a fail.
Yeah.
At 520.
Yeah, I didn't believe in the. I believe we're just gonna chop. I don't believe in it.
I
No, I
don't
want
know.
to take it again. Is it bad that I want to take it again, Wesley?
We didn't sweep the lows.
No,
so it's
this
still
is what
valid.
I mean.
I mean, on that trade, really, you would have to put your stop below 485. which
You
is
know
a
where I
lot
had
of
my
room
initial
to
stop?
breathe.
Do you know how much what I gave my initial stop in for it? VWAP. Below VWAP.
Wow.
I
Whoa.
gave it 40
Martin,
points.
did I ever look into getting a different prop account? What do you mean? Oh, you mean like a different prop firm? Is that what you're asking? I haven't really looked into it yet. The next one that I'm thinking about trying is My Fun of Futures, just because they're really cheap right now. But I haven't looked at what their rules entail completely. So yeah, it's My Fun of Futures is the one that I'm looking at. See, the trade's still valid, Nim, to me.
Yeah, I'm punching it again.
It
I'm just
hasn't
gonna give
taken
it more room.
lows. It hasn't swept
I
lows.
don't know. You're punching. I don't know if I punch it again here.
It's my level. It's Wesley's level, but it's the level that I like, that I want to execute off the longs. That is holding. It's just wicking down below. But
By the way, in the chat, GG's to Christopher. He's made a nice bag today.
nice.
Oh, Casper did? Yeah.
Yeah, Casper. That's so cool.
Yeah, he's been trading well.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Well, he was with me on that long the other day. That was awesome.
I mean, he's just not getting the push up, is it?
Yeah, he's going to snap. It's just which way. Typically, it snaps down first.
So trade days one account, Martin, and they'll send you live. Yeah, I haven't looked at trade day.
See, this is right here is not. If I was wanting to take a trade, well, it's too late. You got.
It's holding. It's holding. It's still holding. I mean, it's looking heavy. I agree. But it's holding. It's holding the level. It's holding 500.
It's just too expensive to take a short here.
We're seeing lower highs and higher lows, so we're basically consolidating. There will be a move one way or the other, and it will probably be violent.
You know how I feel about You know what I say about consolidations? We had that expansion, and if you look at the 1 hour, even the 4 hour shows it really well. Look at the 1 hour chart. You had that big expansion up, consolidated, expansion up, consolidated. It can only go one direction after consolidation, and that's further to the direction. It's in this case up. Can't reverse after consolidation.
Come on.
It's ICT stuff.
Come on. Just run the highs.
It can manipulate down. It just can't.
Is this Phil? Is this Phil manipulating it down?
There it is.
Phil, I
There's
will
that
find you.
manipulation word.
Alright, come on. Let's just go.
Wes, are you still long?
Nope. I got stopped out break even. I am up a whopping $65 on the session.
Let's go.
I don't know. I don't know what I like here. For all you candlestick pattern traders on the 5 minute, it looks like a cup and handle to me. But or you can take the bull flag approach. Yeah, I don't know what I like here. Stream takeover stream takeover. Are you still in that, Nim?
No. Don't show my chance.
Yeah, you are in that.
Don't curse it. Don't curse it. Don't curse it. Wait. give me the day room. Give me the day room. Like once we get to IB8, you can put the charts on. But otherwise, it's going to take me out if you show the charts. That's how the market works.
Too late. You are live, my friend.
For everyone, my stop is there, but I will hit the flatten button if we
Nimkins, just stream takeover for a minute.
Alright guys, I'm here to lose money while Wesley goes to piss for the 5th time this stream. Where's Palmetto gone as well?
No, I'm
It
here.
wipes both of us.
Oh,
out.
he went to go and get some food.
I'm here. I'm back. I'm just muted because I'm chewing.
I mean,
Paused my video. Oh, I should probably put in a break-even stop now. I want it a little bit higher. Alright, keep going. Keep going. See, as we're pushing up now, I'm starting to think Wesley is the problem.
I'm overall bullish. But,
I mean, I'm long from 05, so I'm up 22 points.
oh, that's a great trade. Even though I didn't like it earlier, it's a great trade now.
I mean, I took a break even and then took the exact same trade, exact same entry again. I mean,
Okay.
I took a break even. I didn't lose money. It was a free another go at it. Oh, we're just not getting that push. It's going to come and take me out. Maybe I should.
This is a 20-point day, brother. I'm telling you.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I guess, yeah, I could have taken the 20 points there.
All right, then
You're not
I'm
getting
back.
follow through.
I mean,
You're
my
just not gonna
chart.
get follow through today.
Yeah, I mean, it ran up 22 points. It's now coming back. I put a break-even stop in. It's probably going to take me out again, but it's worth a go.
That was the problem I had earlier yesterday, realizing it. You weren't getting follow through, and I really should have just taken the 10 to 20 points when we were
It
there.
just feels grind up, brother. Hang in there.
I'm hanging in there. I've got my break-even stop in. It's hands off now.
Hang in there.
Targeting 55. You think that's good, or should I go a bit higher?
Yeah,
Okay, so-
really, I would target higher.
There we go. Let's put a mythical price that we're not going to get to. Oh,
There it is.
come on, break that wick.
Little sneak. little
Yep,
sneak.
That way.
I would target up just shy of 600 would be my target right now. Not that
Oh,
you
thank
get
you,
that,
Mason.
But you can trail your stop up. I would say if it gets above 550 and is holding, I would trail it at that point, lock it in. But
I can't trade it yet. I'll just get taken out.
Well, Vix is down, so
no, you can. I would move my stop to 520, just below 520.
yeah.
But
This is
I'm just
pretty
going to get
sad.
taken out in a second. I want to get
if
the
it
big
comes
move.
back below 520, it's probably going to be
Yeah.
snapped down.
This thing doesn't like big moves, especially to the. I mean, I know we had to get up here. We had a couple of nice 5 candles, but
Nima Mason says he loves the shirt.
Thank you, Mason. Thank you. I'm doing my best to get you paid, get you that extra portion of chicken and chips, maybe a second energy drink of the day.
What's up, Bram?
Alright, go. Please break that wick.
I should have added the cameras on this scene so that everybody could be visible, but I didn't add the cameras on this scene for Nim's
Right.
charts.
Hey, Dave, you change shit about me. I can read the chat, right? Alright, you say it to my face. I'm here. I'm here. Yeah.
Go get the soy milk, Nims.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, everybody in the chat, blow up Nims.
It's going to take me
Here
up
it
the break
comes.
even, though. Dave, and then I'm going to have that I told you so rant from Dave. Oh, it's a 20-point day. You should have taken the 20 points.
You should have listened. Should have listened.
I wish the camera was on me right now because I am like,
You want me to hit that button button, don't you, Dave? I ain't doing it. I can't take me out. Take me out. Do it.
Here it
Do
comes.
it. Oh, no. Saved. Saved.
oh, save for the moment. Oh, dude.
Saved.
Wow.
Even your cat told you to take the profit.
No, he didn't. He said he needs more biscuits.
That is a well-placed stop, Nims. I must
Thank
say.
you very much.
That is a
Thank you
well-placed
very
stop.
much.
Currently.
Oh, look, currently. Dave's like, hit the flat button, hit the flat button. He's hitting his own one, hoping it will do something.
I still like grind higher.
Oh, look at
Oh!
That is a well-placed stop,
Dave,
Nim.
we say no.
That is a well-placed stop.
We weren't even close. We weren't even close to hitting it.
Oh my gosh! Even a blind squirrel finds a net every once in a while, I guess.
Oh!
Palmetto, what's on the menu?
I got a just like a garden salad that I absolutely drowned in Italian dressing.
Okay, so you want some salad with your dressing, in other words?
Yeah,
Gotcha.
Short on the salad. Like a soup in here.
Nims, I don't know.
What do you don't know about?
Be the luckiest man alive here on this trade.
I am half Irish.
Isn't that crazy? That's a well-placed stop. That is a well-placed stop.
I mean, I don't know. We're not pushing. We should have pushed the tops there. I think it's.
I mean,
it's
we should
going
have
to-
pushed either way. It's not
It
pushing
gave you
down
a
either.
chance to get out with 20 points. It gave you another chance to get out with 20 points there.
I mean, Alba's got a
Yeah, but-
level here at 523, I think.
Oh, Albu, it's your fault.
I'm pretty sure Palm took the 523 short on the way down.
Yeah,
You did.
I think Donna took it as well. I think I
was
saw
a
her
great-
right in the chat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was
Whoa.
short 523, but I
It was a
took a
great shot.
4 or like 6 point stop, and then I
Yeah.
went without.
Oh,
It
my
was
God. What do I hate more, the break even stop or the I told you so speech, which is incoming? I think it's the I told you so speech. I don't really care about the break even stop.
Oh, that's not a good sign.
What's not a good sign?
We got
Oh.
30 people in the stream right now.
To the tick! To the tick!
Did it stop you out?
To the tick!
Oh, it
That's
did
okay,
take
it's
you
going
out,
lower.
didn't it? All right, I'll go
Yeah.
back.
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
go back to my charts.
All right, I'm gonna get some paper and start writing notes on here. Just show the camera.
Oh my God. Can we mute Dave for like 10 minutes, please?
The most cruel thing now is it just blows through and goes way high.
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna. It's gonna. I didn't want to have the break even stop in.
20 points.
But I wanted more. I don't like these.
It's a slidey day. Gosh darn.
Yeah. And for the stream.
Secretly,
Stream
I
wants
was
to see a big move.
I still like the long.
Listen,
I like the longs. I want to punch it
I
again.
still
Am
like
I
the
psycho?
long.
Am I psycho for wanting to punch it again?
I mean,
Nims,
up here, yeah.
privately, I was
Yeah, I don't want to. I mean, I don't want to. Yeah, a 10-point worse entry than what I got, but it's gonna go.
It's feeling that way.
I was privately rooting for you, Nims. but
No, you weren't, Dave. No, you weren't.
I was privately rooting
No,
for you, Dave
weren't.
says.
Yeah, yeah. That's the prelude to the "I told you so" speech, which is
Oh my
coming.
gosh.
He's been typing it out as I was in the trade.
I'm trying to get Wesley the clicks, so I just we needed to
I mean,
Yeah.
we've got decent viewership. 72 people have tuned in at one point or another during the stream, so that's pretty good for a live stream. For my live stream.
Well,
Oh, Nims.
I mean, it's not. We're not getting the push up. We should have when we missed me by a tick for the break even stop out and then pushed up. We should have broken the tops there. So I'm with you. I probably should have taken an exit, but I still think, look, we are going to run them.
Yeah, it's feeling.
And I got done. I got done to the tick on that last one. I needed one tick less on my stop. Then I could have been missed by 2 ticks and 1 tick to stay in.
It's time for you to take it off at the second time. Oh, this is
But yeah, it's gonna
cool.
go. It's gonna go. I'm gonna make a coffee. I'm not watching this. I'll be back in a second.
You know what? You know what would have been the worst thing, which I really should have done. Once it wicked him or it took him out to the tick, I should have went in long then.
Yeah, that would have made him furious, Dave. That would have made him furious.
I gotta remember to do that next time.
I mean, are you guys seeing anything here? I don't. It feels like it wants higher. Like, it feels like it wants to grind higher to me.
No question. It's going to grind higher. It's just, where do you get in? And do we get a little bit of a spike down before that? And I think we do. Here's the thing. If you look on the 5 minute, it didn't close out.
Oh, here it comes.
There it is. Gosh.
He's going to come back and be so irate. He's going to be so irate right now. Palm, what are you seeing here?
I'll be honest, I'm not even looking at the chart right now. I'm looking at Discord.
Okay. You're fine. It's just the ES is at 5630 right now, battling that level. I want to say the ES goes and tries to test 5650 today.
Sure. If you agree with that, then I'm gonna have to agree. I'm legally obligated.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. I'm just catching up on, because I was on the stream obviously, so I missed a bunch of stuff in Discord, so I'm looking at it.
Colin says he looks like Palm is big chilling right now, Colin. He's big chilling.
You have
dude.
got to be kidding me.
Yep, there's Nim coming back.
That's not real, man. We just went ahead and faked it for you.
All right, come back down at least, because wait, I need to zoom in. I need to zoom in and see where exactly we took out.
Oh my! Don't do it, Ned. That's just a road full of regrets
Oh
when you do
my
that.
God!
I'm not gonna lie, guys. I don't know that I'm gonna take another trade in this. It's not doing anything.
Look at it.
What was it? Only a couple more points than what you would have taken. What I told you to take it.
Nims, don't take the 520 long. Don't take the 520 long.
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it now. I'm going to enjoy my coffee and pretend that I'm going to listen to Dave's "I told you" speech.
We're slowly punching higher lows. Like as we, I have to agree with Wes. Like we're slowly shifting the demand up. So eventually this pops.
It does pop. It's just, where do you grab it?
Oh, you know what? I could. What does anyone think about 505 long? I've only tried it twice.
Honestly, you can make an argument for the long right here. I don't think it's terrible.
You can. I just don't like right here. You got to give it a lot.
Yeah, I don't like it either.
Where's your stop loss? Where's your stop loss?
You got to go below 500. You almost have to go below 490.
You got to
putting my stop at like 511, 512.
Ooh, that's pretty tight.
It is tight.
That's tight enough.
Are you long?
Yeah, it's tight, but if we go below that and we go sweep, I think 505, in which case I don't really want to be in for that extra 6 points or whatever.
This is feeling like it wants
First
to
target
go.
at 537 to go take out that prior high, and then I guess just run our targets above that, like one at 580, let's say.
Well, I think the problem is, from my analysis of today, is if we get up to 540, someone will start chirping up.
Yeah, totally.
And then if it comes down to take a break even after that,
I still like it. You have not pushed new lows.
I went long at 515.
The only thing that's holding me back from punching this is Albu's 523 level there. That's the only thing.
It is rock solid, those German engineered levels.
They are.
I've faced those walls before.
I just moved my stop up to 514 because we put in that prior very short-term swing low at 514.
Yeah.
So we either keep putting in higher lows here and trade higher, or we snap this and go trade like 500 again.
Oh, I'm going to
Phoenix, it is looking like it wants to go all day. Wes is right. I've been with him. It looks like it wants to go and then just doesn't go anywhere.
I'm on this ride with you. So here we go.
Oh, you're long now.
Well,
Of course. Go and take him out. Take him out.
I said
Don't say
the
that.
more cruel thing to do was
Sorry, not you, Palmer. Yeah, sorry, man. I really forgot you're in it as well.
Nim is so
Plotting on my
vindictive right
downfall.
now. He's
I'm gonna
just
put my
so
stop down at,
salty.
like, he'll probably come wake me out. Dang it.
This is
Palm,
like
did
a
that
nice
grab you?
consolidation.
It didn't create a new
No,
low.
I'm still in. I mean, knock on wood. I said
I
that,
don't
and I'm about to get snuffed out.
I don't like it.
There it is. Yep,
Did that? Okay, that one grabbed you.
that got me. It's still holding this consolidation though. I'm not opposed to re-entering. I just need to see like something that tries to get below 512 that fails.
Yeah, I agree. I want to see.
Which
I want to see a
honestly
little
might
quick
be right
sweep
now.
below, and then a reclaim.
yeah,
It's holding up
I still
pretty
think it
well.
looks good.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Oh,
That might have been
it's
it.
gonna come up.
I swear,
Dave's
if,
gonna.
this, if this thing
Like-
pumps 50 points right now, Palm, I swear, stream curse, bro. It's a real thing.
Oh
no,
god.
not stream curse. That was my stop was just really, really tight there.
Come on, come on.
I mean, there's so many things bad if this pumps. Like, obviously, I do like Dave, and I don't want him to lose money. But if it pumps, and then it pumps like 20 points exactly, and he takes the 20 points and then comes back, I think I'm going to exit the stream.
I literally am at 20 points because I think
Yeah.
it'll come on now, because it will run those highs. I want to see. You know, I'm going to put my profit way up there. I want to see what it does when it runs.
Oh, you're putting your take profit where, Dave? Way
I'll
up there?
flatten it. I'll flatten it before it gets.
I mean, I'm not
Where-
going to lie. How disgusting would it be if we actually swept down here, like chart-wise? It would
Oh,
look
true.
so disgusting to me, without running higher first.
I don't. I mean, 15 seconds left on this 5 minute. Ooh, I don't. I just don't. Not miss it. Okay. Do this.
I mean, what are the higher time frames looking like right here?
I don't like this.
Oh, okay, open.
I would rather to come down first than go up. Would rather see the other happen. Let's see. Oh, okay, now we got a little bit of down. So let's see.
Someone draw the meme line. Again, like this is another spot where it looks like we could take a long.
I know.
I mean, yeah, I agree, but it's hard to take a long up here after my 2 entries at 505.
Yeah, I don't like
Yeah.
this here. I'm not gonna get out, but I don't love it.
I don't know. I think it wants higher, Dave. I say you hang in.
Nims will punch the screen.
Yeah, he
I love it
will.
now. I love it now.
there will be fury on that end.
Come on, you.
I saw someone last night call Heineken Ashley bars Heineken Ashley bars, and I thought it was the funniest thing I've ever seen.
That is not good.
Oh,
Not good.
I've heard of people having success with them, but it just, I don't know.
Yeah.
The Heineken Ashleys, yeah.
Heineken Ashley's there. It's so indecisive right here.
don't do it. Just give him the break even.
Mason
doesn't-
guarantee.
Off to the races.
Mason guarantee.
I mean, I'd like a 500 test to get back in, but now it's just going to go. And then I'm going to have to deal with Dave after his 20 points. Oh,
This really does look good.
it does
Yeah,
look good.
100%.
Yeah.
My stop was just way too tight. I should have absolutely had that like below. I just didn't want to get swept out on a
Oh,
trade
there we
below
go.
512 that reclaimed.
I know.
Oh, you
these
got it,
guys.
conditions have us all kind of scared.
Right, guys, it was lovely having me on today. I think that's it for me today. Great hanging out. I'll see you again next Friday.
I took my 20 points. I'm out.
Oh, of course. Yeah.
Yeah, Dave.
Hey,
nice
you caught
job.
that?
Nice trade. Way to hang in there.
Nice job. Yeah.
All that.
So,
I'm not
I
liking
think-
this. I'm not liking this. I'm not liking this.
Yeah.
Me and Palm like, we like this.
It's gonna go higher.
Yeah, so
It's gonna go higher, but I have to do my 20 points like I told Palm. I'm not gonna.
Yeah.
it's like 40 points from my entry. You told me to stay 20.
Yeah, just
Oh.
I'm gonna take that long, honestly. kind of suspect. I'm
What
giving
are
a
you
full
gonna take
stop.
it at? You gonna take the
I
run of
just
the
got
highs?
long at 537. Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
I
I
can't
know
do
it's a
it.
really suspect entry, but
I think you
holding
get
above
because
that prior swing high, it looked pumpy.
It does.
I mean, we'll see. Maybe we just absolutely nuke back into range, in which case I'll
Yeah.
just call it a day.
Yeah, I mean, I pretty much already called it a day.
I see you typing, Dave. I see you typing. Oh, look at it come back after he's taken his 20 points.
20 points, 20 points, 20
Oh,
points.
God.
my God.
Oh, no. Don't do it to him.
Yeah.
You ruin Palmetto and you give Dave the victory speech.
No, man, that's okay. I knew the risk there. It's okay.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna call it a day on that, honestly.
So that's-
So that's what I've been like talking about, and that sweep was less aggressive than what we saw yesterday. But that's what I want to know going forward is like, is that a rollover specific thing? These
I don't know.
like
'cause you've
immediate
seen it-
slaps of like 20, 30 points off of IBH.
I think it is. I think it is. I think it's a rollover type thing because it's just too. It just slaps around. You don't get any moment. You don't get any follow through, which you would have normally
Yeah.
on a move like that. Because that was just, again, you had another solid trade and entry in my mind.
Yeah.
I think.
I don't know.
I mean, I think so too. Obviously, the ideal entry would have been down in the teens somewhere, but that being right below that 523 Albu's Gex level or whatever is sitting there, that's scary. That's a scary to trade into that level and take the push through that level. But I do still think we go higher.
Yeah,
I just think
just
there's
might
such
take us
low
a
volume
long
in this
time.
area that's why you get those quick sweeps. Like there's just not a lot of
Essentially.
volume traded in these areas. So where does the market do? It hunts out liquidity. So it's going to go to where
Yeah.
there's volume, and it's going to slide relatively quickly through where there's no volume.
Yeah.
Well
Your
done, Ollie.
trade-
Well done.
But
The
see, my thing is like I'm curious to know whether that's a like just normal market kind of movement thing or whether that's a rollover specific condition where we have split volumes so you're more likely to get moves like that.
It could be.
gotta say
I mean, that
rollover.
it makes sense, Palm, what you're thinking.
'Cause your-
Like, that definitely makes
Your
sense.
entries and your thought process were
Yeah.
solid, awesome entries, and awesome where you took the points at, where you took the where you entered. So
Thanks, man. You too.
I'm
You
serious.
crushed it. I wish that short earlier had played out. That'd been sick.
oh,
That was like do the tick to my target.
and such a cheap trade too. Gosh, that was awesome.
Yeah, that was nice. Oh well, happens.
Yeah, it does.
Wait, why is everybody GGing Ollie? I didn't see what happened here. What did he do?
Ollie made 1,050 on
Oh,
his
nice.
two
Nice,
PAs.
Ollie. Congrats.
Good job.
Well, guys, I think I'm gonna end it there. I gotta go get something to eat. I'm starving. So,
Thanks for having us on, Wesley.
yep,
Thank you, Wes.
we will reconvene soon, obviously, and hopefully we all hit some winners on this stream. I only made $65 today. I don't know what you guys are sitting at, but
I could have taken a lot of money if I'd listened to someone's advice.
VWAP buy.
No, of taking the 20 points. I had 20 points both straight. So I could have taken 40 points, but I wanted the big push. I wanted to go and hold the trade and everything, but it is what it is.
Oh, nice. I just
Stupid.
saw Invictus boosted the level up server as well. Thanks, Invictus. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Yep. Yeah.
I am minus 150 across 4 and then minus 194 on 1 because of that slippage thing with the flat and all.
Oh, yeah, that's
Oh, well.
right. Yeah, I mean, that's not a bad day, Palm. That's not terrible.
Yeah, that's not.
That's easily recoverable. Dave, what are you at right now?
I'm up 6. Oh no, higher than that. I am up about 650.
Wow.
Not too bad.
Dave crushed
Yeah.
it.
Well, Dave's the winner of the live stream today, I guess.
Yeah, Dave wins the live
Dave
stream.
wins the live stream today.
Yeah, I did better than I thought. To be honest with you, but yeah, 6. Look at it. I was looking at the Discord, so I had to go back in. But yeah,
Yeah, that's fine.
So,
Guys, we
Yeah.
probably all will be hanging out in the Discord if you guys want to join over there after the stream. With all that being said, thanks for coming on today, guys. We'll do it again in due time.
Cheers,
Back
Wesley.
next Friday.
Everyone, enjoy your weekend. Trade safe. Roll over
Bye,
on
everyone.
Monday. We will reconvene at 9:20 a.m. Eastern Monday. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Peace.
enjoy.